It's Frank with Stonelink Property Manager here at 183 Oakland Avenue, Unit 1, Providence, Rhode Island. It's a first floor, 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Start our video tour on your private entry when you walk in. Gleaming hardwood floors throughout, high ceilings, fresh paint, big windows for plenty of natural light. Any of the furniture that you do see in this video can either stay or go, renter's choice. Make our way into the living room area here. Custom island there with tabletop. Very spacious, ceiling fans throughout. Off the living area, you do have bedroom number 1 facing the front of the house. Big enough for a queen set. Before we get into that kitchen area, let's take a left. On the far left here, you got bedroom number 2. Very spacious, big enough for a king set. In between the 2 bedrooms, you got a full bathroom, countertop, cabinet space, shower tub, beautiful vanity there. On the right side of the bathroom, you got bedroom number 3, also big enough for a king set. Now we go back out here, make our way into the kitchen dining area. Stainless steel refrigerator, plenty of countertop cabinet space, gas stove, built-in microwave. Got the other side of that island there, plenty of storage. Back entrance leads out to parking and basement for laundry. You got the bedroom there in between the 2 sections of the kitchen. On this far right section of the kitchen, you got stainless steel dishwasher, more cabinet and countertop space, and then an undermount sink. And off the kitchen, you got bedroom number 4, big enough for a king set. Very spacious first floor apartment here for rent. Providence area. If you'd like to apply for 183 Oakland Avenue, Unit 1, Providence, Rhode Island, click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.